Lung cancer is not always the end of the road. Early detection can mean better survival. The biggest trouble that we have with lung cancer today is that we don't detect it soon enough. And why is that? Because most of us will not have any symptom or sign, that is any indicator that our body is not well, till it has grown to a size whereon it becomes advanced stage disease, which requires a lot more treatment than if we had detected it early. So, can we detect it early? Yes. There is a specialized scan called a low dose CT scan which can help us in early detection, that is catching tumors when it is smaller in size. Small tumor means that A, we will do lesser surgery, we can do minimally invasive surgery, and not just the holes on the chest which are small. It is the amount of lung tissue that is removed from within that can also be smaller. That is, we can offer a segmentectomy if we catch this disease early. So these are two very important facts which tell us that yes, early diagnosis is important. It is not easy to achieve early diagnosis. So if you do have risk factors like you're a smoker, or you are having hemoptysis, that is cough in your blood, if you're having chest pain, weight loss, you should not ignore these symptoms, because yes, it can mean a lot of other diseases. But what we don't want to miss is that what if it is cancer? And if it is cancer, then the first thing that we do is not to run away from it, not to think that what if it is cancer, but to find the diagnosis sooner so that we catch it sooner and we deal with it sooner. So now that we've spoken about why it is good to find it sooner, let us also talk about what happens if we find this later. It does not again meet the end of the road, because it may be a more complex surgery, it may be multiple lines of therapy, yet we can still control the disease, keep it under check so that it is not bothering you so much. And even if it is at the final stages, in today's times we have a lot many treatment options including targeted therapy which can help you. But yes, you can avoid all of this if we detect this early. So early detection will not only save lives on a community level, it saves quality of life of the individual, because it is lesser treatment, early going back to work, and early living a normal life, which is the aim of eventually for all treatment options. I would like to conclude by saying that one, don't be scared of the diagnosis. It is better to find out that it is happening sooner rather than later. Second is, do not ignore your symptoms. If you are developing symptoms, then yes, it is slightly bigger than what we would detect by a low dose CT scan, but still, it is sooner than when it is spread all across your body. And third, and the most important thing, keep your health as the topmost priority in life.